In this video, I will show you how to change the delivery time on Amazon after you have already placed an order. First, open Amazon on your phone or computer and log into your account. Make sure you are using the same account that was used to place the order. Next, go to Your Orders. On a computer, move your mouse to Account and Lists at the top right, then click Orders. On the Amazon app, tap the profile icon and select Your Orders. Find the order you want to change and open it. On the Order Details page, look for an option that says Change Delivery or Edit Delivery. This option only appears if the item has not shipped yet. If you see the option, tap or click it. Amazon will then show you available delivery dates or time windows. Choose the new delivery time that works best for you. Some options may be faster or slower, and Amazon will show you if there is any price difference. After selecting the new delivery time, review the details and confirm the change. Amazon will update your order, and you may also receive a confirmation email. You can always return to your orders to double-check the updated delivery date. If you do not see the Change Delivery option, it usually means the order has already shipped. In that case, delivery time changes are limited. You can try contacting Amazon customer support through the Help section to see if they can offer any alternatives. To avoid this issue in the future, always review delivery options carefully during checkout and place your order as early as possible so changes are easier to make. Before ending the video, here is a quick tip. When shopping online, keeping your internet connection secure is important. A service like NordVPN helps protect your data and keeps your browsing private. If you want to try NordVPN, click the link in the description to get it at a great price. It is a simple way to stay safer while shopping and browsing online.